Now let's see this question. A man borrows 20,000 rupees for 3 years at a rate of 2% per quarter. Then what will be the total amount he has to repay? Now it is the same as the earlier question, but only difference is if you observe it, the time period is given in 3 years, but the rate of interest is given as 2% per quarter, right? Then that is the difference. So either convert the time into quarters, or you convert the interest per annum and you multiply with annum. So anyway you can do it. So only thing you have to remember here is, see, final amount A equal to P into 1 plus RT by 100. Okay. Now in this one you have to see what will be this RT. In order to find out this RT, both of them have to be in the same units, which means if the rate is given as interest per annum, then the time has to be in years. If the rate is given as interest per quarter, then the time has to be in quarters, right? Or you can convert them vice versa, so that you get them to the same baseline. Now if you observe it, time is given as 3 years. Time is given as 3 years, and interest is given as, the rate is given as 2% per quarter. Okay. Now let's convert this one to quarters. So in 1 year there will be 4 quarters. So 1 quarter is nothing but 1/4 of the year. That is why it is called quarter. Quarter means 1/4. 1 quarter is nothing but 1/4 of an year. Therefore in 1 year there will be 1/4 of the year. Therefore 3 years can be written as 3 into 4, which is 12 quarters. Right? Now it is given that per 1 quarter the interest is 2% and there are 12 quarters. Therefore R into T is going to be 24. Got it? So the rate is going to be 24%. So either you can substitute 24 like that, or the other way is, per 1 quarter the interest is given as 2% and there are 4 quarters. Therefore per annum the interest will be 4 into this, which means if you want to use years only, then you find out the rate per annum. Now if you try to find out the rate per annum, for 1 quarter the interest is 2%. Therefore in 1 year there will be 4 quarters, and so the rate will be 8% per annum, isn't it? Now you multiply these two, again you are going to get 24% only. So anyway RT is going to be 24. Got it? Now what is it? P is 20,000 into 1 plus 24 by 100. Now you are going to get 24,800 is the answer. Okay, so this is the amount you are going to get. Other way how you can find it out is, now if you assume that this is the profit you are going to get, so in 1 quarter you are going to get a profit of 2%, and totally there are 12 quarters. Therefore you are totally supposed to get a profit of 24% on the principal invested, right? Therefore if you have to get 24% profit, then amount is equal to 124% of the principal, right? So why 124%? Because you are going to get the 24% profit. Got it? So amount equal to 124% of the principal, right? So now even if you do it, you are going to get the same thing. Okay.